Hi everyone! Today we are going to make two perfumes, one with alcohol and the second one is going to be with almond oil. I got many questions about how to make perfume with alcohol. Usually I made perfume with oil. I use my essential oil with the almond oil. Also, you can use jojoba oil or argan oil. Our ingredients today are bergamot, jasmine, vanilla, and ethanol. I am going to need a beaker and it's 10 milliliter. Then I'm going to add 8 drops of vanilla essential oil, If you want to learn more about a base note, middle note, or top note, then go check out my last video. Then we add 20 drops of jasmine. Jasmine is the middle note. Then we add 12 drops of bergamot, or you can use orange, mandarin, lemon, any kind of fruits that you like. Then we use ethanol. Usually we use 20% of essential oil and 80% of alcohol. And finally, we are going to mix our alcohol with our essential oil very well. And now we are going to make another perfume. At this time is going to be perfume oil. I did many videos about this and I just want to share with you again and to see is now difference between perfume oil and alcohol oil. You can make them the same way, except one of them you can choose to add alcohol and another one you can add almond oil, jojoba oil, or argan oil. And now we are going to try our first perfume with alcohol. Wow, it's so good. I called my first perfume Night Breeze. We are going to use the same ingredient, but instead of using alcohol, we are going to use almond oil. We are going to use the same ingredient, 12 drops of bergamot and 20 drops of jasmine and 8 drops of vanilla and the rest is going to be almond oil. We are going to have 20% of essential oil and 80% of almond oil. When you mix your oil, you are going to get the right result or the right smell after 4, 5 to 6 weeks. But if you mix your essential oil with alcohol, you can get your smell right away. For the people who have problem with dry skin, allergy, it is good for them to use perfume oil. And for regular people who don't have no problem with their skin, they can use perfume if they want. But I prefer to use perfume oil because it's healthy and it doesn't dry my skin also. I hope I answer everyone question about how to make a perfume with alcohol and with almond oil. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you next video.